Hi guys, welcome. Alpha Wolf here. In my last video, I was ranting. I talked about Payoneer, how Payoneer just blocked my balance just like that, and I couldn't even receive money. And the thing paid me. And a lot of people have been having the same issue that I've had. I've seen a lot of content creators and guys that do businesses online. They've been complaining about Payoneer that their policies are no longer favorable to people using their platform, particularly Nigerians. And it is normal. Like these guys that have this platform, sometimes they just choose to misbehave and all those kind of stuff, because PayPal has also done the same thing, that they even restricted Nigerians from using their platform, and a lot of us have to do crazy stuff to create PayPal account. Payoneer are misbehaving now. They have their reasons. I understand that the image of the country is very terrible internationally and all, but then there are other ways they can take care of stuff without affecting innocent people that just want to do business and make money. So one thing about us that work in the online space, freelancers, content creators, you do your business online, you always have to survive, you have to thrive irrespective of the situation of things. Even when they ban your account, they do this one, they do that one, you just find a way to always bounce back. So today's video, I'll be talking about alternative platforms that can serve you what Payoneer is giving you. The reason we create Payoneer account is for us to receive money from abroad. Like if you do work on platforms, freelance platforms, international payment, you need bank accounts that can pay you. And I'm going to be talking about two platforms that can serve the purpose of Payoneer for people in Africa, right? But the thing is, the first one, not every Africa country is eligible to create platform. I know that Nigeria, Ghana, and I think South Africa, I don't know, a few other countries are allowed to create their account on this platform, and majority of my audience are Nigerians, so this particular platform will be a very good alternative. I made a video where I talked about how to create an account on that platform. That is where I now use, that is the platform I use. It is grey.co, grey.co. Now I'm going to talk about grey.co, how good they are. Then I'm going to tell you guys one limitation with Grey at the moment. It's something they're going to fix. We know that one, they will fix it, but for now it is a problem, right? Okay, so the first alternative is grey.co, grey.co. You can download their mobile app and use the platform. You can actually come on Google to sign up. I made a video on how to create an account on grey.co. I'm going to upload that video again so that you guys that want to create an account after this video, you can create an account, right? Sorry, I might have a little bit of distraction. I'm currently in a trade and I'm monitoring things, so just permit me from time to time. I can choose to check my chat. But back to the tutorial, right? So on grey.co, you can create accounts from some African countries. Nigeria is eligible, Kenya and Tanzania. So if you are from any of these three countries, you can create your account. If you are from South Africa, Ghana, some other countries, you are not eligible for now, so you can ignore it. But on this platform, you can get foreign bank accounts. You can get bank account of a euros account, a US dollar account, and a Great Britain pounds account. But there's a challenge at the moment. The bank that grey.co used to allow people create American account is Silvergate Bank, and that Silvergate Bank, they had a little financial crisis recently and the bank crashed. So because of that, creating American US dollar account on grey.co is currently temporarily suspended, and they have plans to negotiate with another bank so that people can create their account with another bank, right? So if you want a Great Britain pounds account, GBP account, and a euros account, you can create that on grey.co to receive and to send funds. You don't have a problem with that. But for a US dollar account, for now, temporarily, that service has been suspended. It is important for me to let you guys know. For example, I'm going to put a verification code. I need to verify for me to use the platform, right? So let me just quickly get the verification code and continue. I want to log into my grey.co account for this tutorial. I've had this account for a while. I just use it once or twice, but because of the Payoneer issue, I want to start using it. In fact, I had to connect this account to my affiliate platform, my ClickBank, to receive my funds. Now you can see that in this my grey.co account, I have a Great Britain pounds account. I used to have a US dollar account, but the US dollar service has been suspended, like I told you guys, and because of that, you cannot have a US dollar account now. For now, it is pending, right? So they are trying to strike a deal for a new US dollar account. But if you click on Great Britain pounds, you will see all the information that concerns the Great Britain pounds below. I don't want to open all the details. If you want a euros account, you can create a euros account from still this grey.co, and you can still create a Nigeria account, a Nigeria bank account you can use for your transaction. You just need to request here until when they resolve this their US dollar issue. So they can, when they resolve the US dollar bank problem, then you have an alternative US dollar account that you can use for you to create your US dollar account for your transaction. Now, some of the benefits of Gray account is that you can create a virtual dollar account, a virtual dollar card. That's dollar card that you can use to make all your transaction online. You know, Nigeria, they've been restricting us from paying for stuff online, but if you come on Gray and you create a virtual dollar card, you know, once you fund the card, you can use it to make all your payments online. All those things you want to buy online on Alibaba, AliExpress, or any payment you want to make online through your Gray virtual dollar card, you can use it to create your account. I'm going to put a link in the description that if you use that link to create your Gray account, they're going to give you some, you know, benefits, some bonus, some free money. And yeah, another alternative you can use for a virtual dollar account is cheaper cash. I've made a video on that in the past. You guys can check that one out. Now, the second platform that can help us solve this issue is called Payday. The website is usepayday.com. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to use to create your Payday account. The only thing is that for you to create a Payday account, you cannot create it on their official website through your browser. You can only download the app and register using their app. So I'm going to continue this video. I'll do another video where in that video I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Payday account using my mobile phone. But for now, it is important for you guys to know that you can create an account on Payday, and I'm going to put a link in the description where you can use that link to create an account and you can get money. So this is going to solve your problem that has to do with sending, receiving money, and creating foreign bank accounts. So you can see that they said on Payday you can open US dollar account, Great Britain pounds account, euros, and 20 other global accounts for free, and you can use their virtual US dollar card and their MasterCard to solve your problem. So all these are alternatives to Payoneer. You know, one thing I love the internet for is that for every system there's always an alternative. The fact that Payoneer is misbehaving doesn't mean that we're going to get stuck and will not be able to move on. So Payday is going to solve your problem. In the same vein, Gray.co will also solve your problem, right? If you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, turn my bell post notification on. You can leave a thank you. You can tell me any other stuff you want to tell me concerning the platform. If you use those platforms, please tell me what you think about them so that others can benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video so that other people that are having these issues can benefit from it, right? In my next video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a Payday account on your mobile phone without any stress. Thank you very much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on so that when I drop more interesting content, you will not miss out. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.